How do you go from being bullied to being the bully? And then how in a space of 3 seconds do you just let your reputation fall like that? How Londi? Oh Londi, the London Bridge has fallen. How OC Chilisi ya baba 605 Mahlati uyatshwareha ka lebitso laka tshwaraso le nna ke mo tshwaraso sunaso le nna ke mo sunaso bese ye le nna ke mo ye Chilisi ya baba. We all know that you did the most during these Easter holidays. Your skin needs repair and recovery, Sana. Why not try a House of Soul? They bring you the essence of Korean skincare in a modern way. Kiri, they've got products that have steps because what you guys, you need to cleanse. You need to tone. You need to scrub. You need to feed your skin. Look at me. Why would I lie to you about taking care of your skin? House of Soul brings you all of this at just a click of a button. Their website has launched and have made things so easy for you. Plus, they ship to you. So inkinga igupi. And what are you waiting for? Run down to a House of Soul. Get your skincare ready because Sana, the essence of Korean skin, right at your fingertips. No, like, what are you waiting for? I am Sims and it's at Sims Right Reviews on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. I'm sorry, Kamukhala, if you want more traffic on your platforms. No, you will not make me feel guilty for celebrating Easter. Yeah? Hey, he has slipped, he has rose, he has resigned. No, don't. Sims, where were you now? In the office. Long weekend now. Even me here, the CEO, your senior managers. Yeah? Don't you? Vicky Vonkomi? Yeah? On today's video. So that we have to. I don't care if this story has passed because this story keeps getting more layers and more layers. How the story started is that Dineo Muloisane versus Londilanda. But it's actually the other way around because this started so unprovoked. Okay? What happened? Blondie is filling in for McG at Podcast and Chill. They are talking about Dineo Muloisane and her shindings and her escapades, right? So Usol makes a comparison and he's like, Dineo Muloisane is almost like a Londilanda. She's like, what? Do I have a horse face? Bitch. Blondie.
A woman kissing a guy in the pool.
Like underwater?
No, but it was like in the blogs. It was everywhere.
He was kissing a guy in the pool.
She
kissed a guy in the pool.
Rajesh Dineo
Yes.
Moloisane. Am I saying it right?
Who is that person?
Oh, that Dineo Muloisane story.
Who is Dineo Muloisane?
Dineo Muloisane, bro, is
Jeez.
Different men. It's
Instagram
crazy.
girl.
Instagram.
London type of like girl. No, like beautiful.
Uzofa namhlanje.
If what's your weapon? What's your weapon to do that? How are you gonna kill?
Wait, one. Do
How you gonna kill me?
one. Do I have horse teeth?
No, I didn't say you're fine. You guys are in your baddies. You are baddies.
Do I have a horse face?
You're baddies.
You got a horse ass.
But you guys hold the banging bodies.
3.
You got a horse
I
body.
need a man to trend.
You've trended.
Do I
Man,
need
you've
a man
trended.
to
You've
trend?
trended.
Do
You're
I
25.
need- No, you're gonna
trended.
trend but
trended before.
Yes. What about 25?
Do
That's what
I
I'm
need a
saying.
man to trend?
No, you don't.
Yes, per.
That's
If not,
Okay,
then-
anyway,
Yeah,
she's a baddie,
Okay,
man.
let's
You know
go.
Muloisane is a baddie?
Let's go.
The English is, but they're baddies. They are
No.
Insta baddies.
Can she blow a horn like you?
No.
You're a strong
Yeah,
horn
you
blower.
just blow a horn.
Yeah, I mean,
The music is like-
you're a great blower of horns.
No,
Yeah.
they're great at gaslighting.
Yeah.
Londi, not you, my babe. Not you, my babe. Not you. When you mean bega good, go. Cinderella. We went to war for you, Londi. Yeah? Chuck Norris is no longer with us on earth because we were at war for you, Londi. Then you're gonna come and shame another woman? Oh, but you shamed the wrong one on the right day. One thing about Dineo, she said, what? If you take it to hell, I'm taking it to the basement of the toenail of Satan. I know Lucifer personally. Kinali number plate ya gagwe. If you want horse, I'll show you horsepower. I Dineo, I'm gene. Amuti. Afonele umuntu ka Londi. Akere you know gore Dineo dated kwena. And then allegedly ukwena unolondi allegedly. Amuti afonele ukwena. So Dineo calls Londi's person and says, watch your woman. Your woman has my name in her mouth and I don't get it. I don't understand it. Tell her that she don't want to see me, see her, see each other. Beat her down. And then, right? Then Udine was like, you know what? I have a YouTube channel. I'm going to monetize off this nonsense, right? She goes to her YouTube channel.
And because I'm a loyal girl, I'm a lover, I'm a cook, I'm a 2 times graduate, something that you don't know of, honey. You're not going to put stage. You show the encyclopedia. Please, you communicate and so and the baby did it too. And then I because I get paid problem when I need because now go tell everything how.
And then Londi comes out with an apology. Londi London is on her phone, so nonchalant in that apology, like, oh yeah, I'm so sorry. Like, what I did was wrong. I'm sorry for disappointing you. I'm sorry for disappointing the country. I am sorry. It was so out of character for me. I think the more Londi you podcast, the more we are seeing your character. So we don't know what out of character is for you, because it seems like every time you're on a podcast, you have something to say about girls and women. Londi, Zulu, my keba. Hey, Mamela, and then Londi she apologizes.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing good. I just want to address something that has recently been trending online about me. I made some mean comments about someone's appearance, Dineo, and I would like to apologize to Dineo and everyone that I disappointed. I was never supposed to say those comments about someone's appearance. It was very mean, and yeah. I even hate just rewatching that video. It's very out of character for me, and I'm very disappointed in myself as well. So I would just like to apologize to Dineo and everybody else that I disappointed, and I hope you guys can accept my apology and she can accept my apology. Happy Sunday, guys.
Dineo, she responds on Instagram, and then she says, apology not accepted. That apology was as nonchalant as a man that is done with you and you want him back, and then he's like, what's it, baby, by rain. But your apology was as dry as a Capitec 18 of each month. But apology yako, ifana ne banking app, as FNB, it's complicated. I go straightforward, and it's not so. But apology yako, ifana ne card lasa time bank ilvele jembe. But apology yako, ifana ne net bank. Make it for my 10 rand. When alone, what mean? Ungabheki mina umbhobho bheki ngakuwe. So and then you thought she was done. Oh no, this is Dineo. She took it further. There's Mabati, and furthermore, she said, when I defended you, I fought for you. You know, I thought me and you had something in common because we both went to the labor ward. It's just that now I know that I went to the stage and my head was touched by a vice chancellor, which never happened to you, Lord. This is why you're behaving like this. You're behaving like Thursday. So Monday. Monday. Guys, when I say who, and I say ha, and I say whoa, and I really like, I'm shook because Ulondi, she knows what it feels like to be dragged by another woman. She even cried in a Gucci bikini. Do you know how hard it is to cry in a Gucci bikini? No, I guess that's because that's not a bikini Gucci, but it sounds good when I say it. But yeah, nengizwa yo Londi, shembe shemwena. I namuzwa asikhadi jokisi. No, wrong. Go Acrimony.